So you're going to actually have a folder with your initials and ID and CMAC. You're going to need a poster folder, and eventually you're going to need a t-shirt folder. I have 3 image generating folders. I have an original. This is spelled wrong, I just noticed, but easy to fix. This is going to house everything that I need as I collect it. So if it's my t-shirt ideas, my poster ideas, everything I collect, I'm going to put in there. I've got my edits, and this is where I'm going to take anything I'm thinking about using, and I'm editing in Photoshop, so I'm changing it from the original. So you'll notice this original print is right here, but then once I start to edit it, I store it here. So I have originals that I can always go back to. I have edits, right? And then when they're ready to be posted, I have to be placed. And there's really 2 types of to be placed. There's TIFFs or there's EPSs. And in this project, it's really important to understand why you're using what. And we'll go over this a little bit more next week. But when you're working with spot color, Pantone color, which we're going to talk about today, and you're using imagery, if you're producing that imagery in Photoshop and you want it to separate into 1, 2, or 3 colors, you're going to save that file as an EPS, encapsulated postscript file, so that it sends information for either plate instead of a full spectrum of color, right? So if you think about it, when you work with a TIFF, you might have a bitmap TIFF, or you have an RGB TIFF, or you have a CMYK TIFF. There's no spot color TIFF option, okay? So in this to be placed folder, pretty much everything for this assignment will be either an EPS or a TIFF carefully selected, all right?